Hey everybody, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today. Today's just a short video to announce the winners of my 5,000 subscriber giveaway. I figured I'd just leave the things on my table that I'm working on right now just so you have something to look at. But yeah, so I've been doing some sewing. Anyway, thank you to everybody who entered my giveaway. I had lots of entries, wonderful comments. I learned about so many new crafters that I can watch on YouTube, and a lot of them I subscribe to as well. But it was so nice to see who inspires you in your, in your crafts. And thank you to everyone who mentioned me as well. I really appreciate that very, very much. I am in good company with everybody who you guys suggested. So thank you so much. It was a really fun time reading all the comments, but let's get on to why you're here to see who won the prizes. So if you remember, I had one international winner and one from the United States. So the international winner will receive a box of goodies from me and or things that they can't get in their country and they would like, from Hobby Lobby or Target or something like that. So without further ado, let's announce the winners. I used the random comment picker, and for the international one, I filtered using the word international, and I did check and make sure that both my winners are subscribers, and they are. So here we go. The international winner, and I probably will not pronounce her name right, is Brigitte Rahimakers. This is how you spell it. I'll put it up on the screen now. Brigitte, thank you so much for your wonderful comment, and please email me at the email address that's in my description box down below, and we could talk about what you would like. So thank you very much. And okay, let's move on to the winner from the United States. This winner will receive a $50 gift certificate to the Frantic Stamper, which is one of my favorite craft shops. Okay, the winner is Bunny C. And thank you so much, Bunny. I really appreciate your comment too. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. So again, international is Brigitte Rahimakers, and our American winner is Bunny C. Bunny, if you can email me at the address in the description box as well, I will send your gift certificate to the email that you provide. All right, everybody, thank you so much for watching, and I'll be back soon with lots more videos, hauls, tutorials, project shares, that sort of thing. So thanks again for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.